Hi mga kabiyahera! Nandito kami ngayon sa FDR. Papunta tayo ng Costco sa Shenzhen. Sama kayo sa biyahe ko. Hi mga kabiyahera! Nandito tayo sa Hong Kong West Kowloon Station. This is the station where we will take the train going to Shenzhen, China. Ito yung fast train or yung bullet train dito sa Hong Kong. In Japan, they have Shinkansen. Here in Hong Kong, we have this bullet train. So we're taking the high-speed rail to Shenzhen, China. And ito yung ticketing area where we bought our tickets. Alright, so larga na tayo! Ayan! Ayan mga kabayan, nandito na kami sa loob ng high-speed rail. O mga kabiyahera, ganyan ang ganap sa loob ng high-speed rail. Para rin siyang eroplano, ang bongga, diba? O, eroplano na yung overhead bin, wala nang cover. Pero, so spacious naman the seats. O, tignan natin ang mga kasama natin kung excited. Ayan. Ang bongga. Umaandar na yung train, pero wala kang nararamdaman. Sa totoo lang, yung train, paatras yata yung andar namin. Wala akong ma-feel kung anong direction, whether we're in or forward or backwards. Kasi wala ka talagang, walang sensation. Kung anong iyong direction. It's so amazing. It is a very amazing experience. So cool. Chill na chill kami. Mas nakakaiba. Try nyo! And so, this is the high-speed rail that we rode in going here to Shenzhen Bay. Ang saya, diba? Yan ang itsura ng front niya. We're about to exit the train station and we just have to present our passport. And so we're outside. And so we're outside. Ayan, dyan kami lumabas. So, lakad-lakaran na tayo dito. And then, where are we going?
Sakay tayong Didi.
And so, we will take a Didi instead, of course, an Uber because there's no Uber here. ABS-CBN Wale Channel 2. Here in China, the driver's side is on the left side. It's like the Philippines. So if you want to drive around China, you can, not much adjustment. So we arrived here in Costco Shenzhen. Join us, we'll go inside. The first order of the day dito sa Costco, kumain muna. Behind me is the food kiosk. Parang SNR lang siya. Swerte tayo ngayon because it's a weekday, it's a Monday. Easy lang ang check-out. Konti lang ang mga tao. Winner! It's a winner trip for us. Kasi hindi hectic. Normally, if it's a weekend, punong-puno ng tao daw dito. So ngayon, we can breeze through the aisles and share with you what they have here. This is our food fair. They have the hot dog, the foot-long hot dog, and this is bulgogi, so that's beef. Then we have this moon cake. It's like a pork bun moon cake, and of course a slice of pizza. So now I'm going to try the beef bulgogi. So hinati na namin because it's so big. So what's inside? It's beef. And let's see how it tastes. And let's taste how it how it looks, if it looks good, and if it really tastes good. It tastes just right. Parang lasang Pinoy nga eh. Hindi maanghang, hindi heavily seasoned. Then the beef is malambot. Thumbs up. Now, I will try this pork mooncake. So normally, a mooncake has lotus, ano nga yun?
Paste?
Lotus paste or mung bean paste inside. Ito daw pork. Di parang hopya lang ating hopya, baboy.
Pero at least baboy talaga to.
Baboy talaga to. Hindi baboy yung pagkakaluto.
Hindi, at least hindi yung garlic lang.
It's flaky, right? Ooh, look at that. It's oozing. May konti siyang sauce. Ooh, ang hirap naman kainin ng tinidor. Kamayin ko na. Lasang Chinese food. Lasang Chinese food yung mga ano talaga niya, mga herbs niya. Para siyang siomai na maraming onion chives. It's good. You're right. It has real pork inside. But between these two, and actually among those that we got, I like the beef bulgogi the most, and second is the hot dog. The hot dog, not only it's mahaba and plump and juicy, it's also very cheap, no? It's very reasonably priced, including na the drink. Ang saya talaga pagka konti lang ang tao. Kaya if you plan to go to Costco, make sure you plan it on a weekend. Mali pa rin. You plan it on a weekday. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so big. Let's see. Angelo, can you carry it? Can you check? Oh my gosh, you can't even don't carry. It's taller than you, no? Not really.
Not really.
How about that one? Ooh, it looks, thumbs up.
It smells like strawberries.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, let me smell. Yeah, it does smell like strawberries. It smells strawberry because it has a strawberry logo.
Yun talaga yung character niya. It smells like...
Nice. this raw bulgogi beef, but at the same time, they have cooked food beside it. This is called, what is that? I don't know. Meron silang tteokbokki. Ah, ito yung tteokbokki. Yan. Oh, Korean food. And they have, again, raw food for soup. Chinese soup. And they have this. Ah. Oh, what is this? Is this shrimp? Ah, crayfish. This is crayfish and it's only 99, 98. Yeah, depending on the gram. Lamb shanks na yakitori na. Basta iba-iba, beef shank. And what is this? Ah, mga lamb. I don't eat lamb, sorry. No offense to those who eat, but I don't eat lamb. Whoa, what's this one? Angus.
Boneless beef knuckle.
Angus beef from Australia. Australian knuckle. I'm looking for the ribeye. Ribeye. Whoa. I think the price is per kilo, and then ayan ang price is 500. Pwede na rin comparing to Hong Kong prices. Oh, look at this. Angus beef patties. And how much? Wait, look at this rib eye. Where is it from? Is it US? Ah, Australia. And that is what is that one is the US?
Australia pa rin.
Australia pa rin na rib eye steak. Ooh, 370. Alam nyo bang sa Hong Kong, ang isang order niyan ay 370. Swerte na kung makahanap ka ng 370, no? Here, isang buong pack. And yan, ang hinahanap natin, ang US ribeye. US ribeye is always the best. For me. Sorry sa mga Aussie friends. Ayan, nandito ka namin sa seafood. Ayan ang abalone. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi ko masyadong mag-gets kung bakit nila type ang abalone. Yeah. So, the fish, of course, ordinary na mga fish. Oh, may galunggong pa dito. Talaga ba? Galunggong ba to? Ay, hindi pala. Ah, mackerel. It's mackerel. And of course, nagsangkatutak na hipon, scallops, pusit. Ala, dito yata dinadala yung mga nakukuha sa dagat sa Pilipinas. And what else do we have here? Ah, this is kelp. I think this is kelp. And what is that one? Oh, so this is jellyfish. Packed jellyfish. Ooh, sa atin ang jellyfish nangangagat. Dito kakagatin mo. Why not? Yeah, it's really jellyfish. And SNR. Only 39.80. Now let's go to the bakery items, and this is what we love here, the croissant here in Shenzhen Costco. It's only $47.90 for this much in a pack, and in Hong Kong it's like $9, $12 each. And there are different types of croissant. Merong taro mochi. Yan, taro mochi. Ooh, oh, cookies, no? No need for cookies. We can make our own cookies. But this looks interesting. $68.90 for how many? 12? Ah, lava custard cheesecake. Ah, cheesecake, cheese tart. And then there's Madeline. Where's the Madeline? Oh, iba yung Madeline nila, oh, kumpara sa Philippines. Di ba yung Madeline na? Ito parang ano lang to. Itanong nga to sa Pilipinas, yung ganitong kababayan. Parang kabayan lang to eh. Kababayan. So many food samples here in Costco. Nasa sayo na lang kung gusto mong i-try o hindi.
Okay.
So, what is this? Fire grilled. Ooh, it must be spicy.
Duck wings.
Duck wings. Do you like to try? I don't like. Okay, another free taste, this time from Starbucks. Angelo is going to try. Oh, no more? There, you try now. What is it?
May gatas ata? Teka.
Try. So this is the one of the free tastes
今天有
here.
优惠奖20块钱。
Oh, you try.
Okay, try.
Okay. How is it?
Mmm.
How is it?
Yeah. Inaluan niyo nung soda water. So it's, you can taste the lemon.
Okay. Oh, free taste again. Free taste.
尝一下啊。
Okay.
你好，欢迎品尝一下哦，这个是
You wanna try?
Alright.
Okay. Eto na nga mga kabiyahera, tapos na tayo dito sa Costco and it's 9 p.m. So we enjoyed our Costco trip today for about 4 hours. Talagang sinuyod namin ang bawat aisle. And babalik pa ba kami? Pwede, pag may okasyon, maraming magagandang wholesale items na para kang nasa SMR. But for now, ang tip ko, go to Costco, to Shenzhen on a weekday and you will really enjoy the shopping experience. Okay, bye for now. Enjoy!